Hello all! In this tutorial, we will compare different compute services provided by AWS and by Azure. For easy understanding, we have compared the services around different service areas such as virtual servers. Service description. Virtual servers allow users to deploy, manage, and maintain OS and server software. Instant types provide combination of CPU RAM. Users pay for what they use with the flexibility to change sizes. Azure Marketplace includes a selection of pre-configured VM images for various applications. Container instances. Service description. Azure Container Instances is the fastest and simplest way to run a container in Azure without having to provision any virtual machines or adopt a higher-level orchestration service. Allows customers to store Docker-formatted images used to create all types of container deployments on Azure. Microservice container orchestrators. Service description. Deploy orchestrated containerized applications with Kubernetes. Simplify monitoring and cluster management through auto upgrades and a built-in operations console. A computer service that orchestrates and manages the execution, lifetime, and resilience of complex, interrelated code components that can be either stateless or stateful. Fully managed service that enables developers to deploy microservices applications without managing virtual machines, storage, or networking. Quickly deploy a production-ready Kubernetes, DSOS, or Docker Swarm cluster. Serverless. Service description. Integrate systems and run backend processes in response to events or schedules without provisioning or managing servers. Backend process logic. Service description. Provides an easy way to run background processes in an application context. Batch computing. Service description. Run large-scale, parallel, and high-performance computing applications efficiently in the cloud. Scalability. Service description. Lets you automatically change the number of instances providing a particular compute workload. You set defined metric and thresholds that determine if the platform adds or removes instances. So let's first talk about the first service area, that is, virtual servers. AWS provides Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, Amazon Light Sail. Azure provides Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Marketplace. Let's talk about the second service area, that is, container instances. AWS provides EC2 Container Service, EC2, EC2 Container Registry, ECR. Azure provides Azure Container Service, Azure Container Registry. Let's talk about the third service area, that is, microservice container orchestrators. AWS provides Elastic Container Service for Kubernetes, EKS. Azure provides Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, Service Fabric, Service Fabric Mesh, Azure Container Service, ACS. Let's talk about the fourth service area, that is, serverless. AWS provides Lambda. Azure provides Azure Functions, Azure Event Grid. Let's talk about the fifth service area, that is, backend process logic. For now, AWS provides no services. Azure provides web jobs. Let's talk about the sixth service area, that is, batch computing. AWS provides AWS Batch. Azure provides Azure Batch. Let's talk about the seventh service area, that is, scalability. AWS provides AWS Autoscaling. Azure provides Virtual Machine Scale Sets, Azure Autoscaling, Azure App Service Scale Compatibility, PaaS.